Hey guys, this is Neo Gamer GRU's dad, and I'm doing an unboxing video of the iTap magnetic iPhone holder. It's made by a company called iOttie. And let's look at the box here. Right there's the magnetic mount. Goes on the back of the iPhone. There's stuff on the box. And let's open this up. So what we have here looks like a little instruction manual. I guess it tells you how to work the product. And this looks like a metal piece that you stick into your iPhone case. And this is the actual mount. Adhesive strip that you stick either on the dash or on the window, the windshield. Alright, let's see if this works. There's the thing that goes onto the case. Place that right there. Drop the case in. Right there it is on the back. Let's see if this sticks. Yep. There it is. So it can adjust if it's on the dash, pivot, and just there it sticks on. It seems to be holding it alright. Got to center it more. Whoops. It sticks to that a little bit, but it'll stick to the magnet more. I think can't really use it on this case, like have it horizontal. because this isn't in the middle because of this. I have a special case that has a kickstand on it. But I also have another case that doesn't have this kickstand, and it'll work. It should work. Alright, well, there is demonstration of the new iPhone mount. It's the iTap magnetic mount by a company called iOttie or iOttie. Alright, thanks for watching, guys, and like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.